Okay, this is one of those videos that I've been wanting to make, and it just seems like every time I do a repair or I have a situation where I can really show the excellence of this M12 3/8 stubby, I just don't do it. So I made time to make the video this time. While we were doing the airbag repair. I do know that Milwaukee released new stubbies M18s, but I know that M18 could not fit in this situation, so I went ahead and went with the M12, which I've had for a while. And as you can tell by looking at the video, it's hard to get a wrench in there. It's hard to get a long ratchet bar, just because of all the stuff that's in the way, the air lines, the air tank. And this one is really not as reduced as some of the other ones that I do sometimes that are extremely reduced space. You only have very little swing. So, getting in there with a wrench, even with a flex head, ratchet head, is hard. Here you can see even the M12 ratchet is kind of hard to position in there. So, Milwaukee M12 stubby 3/8, the first generation, is still my go-to. I don't know if the M18 would have fit in there. I don't think so. Sometimes I even have to switch the battery pack, go to the smaller one to get it in there. And you will see in this video, the space is really reduced, and this M12 gets in there just great. And we do have to use a deep socket because of the thread travel of the bolt, of the nut, is long. So once again, Milwaukee, great product. And of course, they just keep refining their cordless impacts and all their cordless tools. And I've had this one for a while, so it's just doing real good. And it was a well worth investment of buying the Milwaukee line, not only because they work good, not only because they help you get into getting things done quickly. They also have that 5-year warranty, which I've had to use a couple of times, and ironclad. It goes in, they take care of it, and it comes back. Right here, you can see how long the wrench is that I would have to use to try to remove that nut. And as you can tell, the wrench is longer than the impact. And of course, the impact has the power to get that nut out. And right here, we're looking at some dimensions that I decided to make so you could see more or less what we're looking at. But Milwaukee M12 fuel 3/8 stubby impact, just head and shoulders above the rest. Really, honestly, I've been using it for airbags for a while.